Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Top Gel Cream effectively. This versatile product offers deep hydration and nourishment, helping to restore your skin's natural radiance. It works to even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and improve overall skin texture, leaving you with a smoother, more luminous complexion. Before applying your Top Gel Cream, proper skin preparation is crucial for maximizing its benefits. Start by thoroughly cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Follow this with a hydrating toner to balance your skin. This ensures your skin is clean and ready to absorb the cream effectively. For optimal results, apply a small, pea-sized amount of Top Gel Cream to your clean face and neck. Gently massage it into your skin using upward, circular motions until it is fully absorbed. This cream can be used twice daily, once in the morning before applying makeup and again at night as part of your evening routine. Consistent use of Top Gel Cream offers numerous benefits, including intense hydration and improved skin elasticity. It helps diminish imperfections like dark spots and fine lines, promoting a smoother, more radiant complexion. Remember to protect your skin from harsh sun exposure and integrate this cream into your daily skincare regimen for lasting, beautiful results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.